Package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about the HD Color. This is a 2-inch portable system and yeah, it's 8-bit people and ooh, it seems to be they're pretty naughty. We're going to get some Adventureland, Dig Dug. I see a lot of familiar games. So this is not like the, let's say, the previous model I've reviewed that you have this horrible homebrew games. No. This one is more like the extremely budget edition. I must say I like the form factor about. I really like the form factor. I'm very curious. What are we going to get? Serious? Nothing? Is there nothing? Oh man. So I am guessing it's falling apart. Oh yeah, just great. Is this cover so bad? Okay, so there is no way of adding a lithium battery to this thing. Okay, does this cover? Wow, indeed, this cover is just horrible. Alright, so first of all, what I already mentioned, I really like this shell. It holds very nice. Nice grip for big hands. Of course, the D-pad feels horrible. Very weird D-pad. No EB or whatsoever. Reset, start. There's a sound button. No shoulder buttons. Speaker at the back. And we have in here the on and off switch. Oh, I have a Final Fight song again. Yeah. I don't know. Alright, let's do a quick overview. Let's see. Angry Birds. Super Contra. I'm getting the feeling this is more like the list of games that you can find on those horrible clone systems and horrible NES clones. We have Trojan, cool. I see some very good games. So they're all divided over this pretty huge list. We're having a lot of crappy games. Don't see any double games at the moment. Oh man, why do they always need to rip off this Final Fight song? Why? What is this? Mario Shelly. Mario Prince. Oh my god. Here it comes. Here it comes. This shitload of horrible games are coming. Oh, I've seen enough, people. Okay, let's play some games. I must say the screen itself, I don't know what you think of it, but the view angle for this cheap device, it's not bad at all. Oh crap, I forget to... Oh, here it is. I was totally forgot the number. Okay, this is number 150. What is this? What is this? Oh yeah. And we also have the original Super Mario. So that's pretty nice. Of course, let's play some adventure game. Adventure Island. It's a tiny screen, but it's very detailed. If you look at the colors of the figure or the character you play with. Oh, it goes pretty loud. And this game is almost on every... No, wait. It's on every freaking portable device. Even the versions with the very crappy game lists. Circus Charlie is always on this system. Yeah. So the D-pad itself isn't working very well. Come on. You know what? I'm just going to finish this stage. Okay, can I do this? Can I do this? I knew it didn't work, but I wanted to try it. Oh, of course. Why? I'm not surprised. This game is also on every freaking handheld. I like it. I like this game. Come on. Oh yeah. Getting the hang of it. Oh yeah, perfect, man. To be honest, I can't play on this thing all day. There are really cool games on it, and really... Okay, we're going to do it again. So I can play all day on this thing. It's a very, very tiny screen, I must say that, to be honest. It's something not everybody's going to like, but it's colorful. It's better than most of the bigger screens I've seen. And so some of these 8-bit systems come with, let's say, a 3-inch screen, and the colors are pretty horrible. Ooh. Alright people, so for the final conclusion about the HD color, I think for a really budget system, it's something totally new. And the reason I'm saying this, most of these Chinese handhelds have all the same form factor. But this thing, I like it. I like the form factor of this. The list, yeah, it's messy. There's always something they mess up. But then overall, it got a very nice tiny screen. It got a lot of great games. So, it's a naughty system. That is one thing to be sure. But, this is what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. Do you like this? Or do you thinking, I'm never going to buy something like this anymore because I already bought a cheap device? Let me know. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel, because it's all retro and more. See you next time. Bye bye.